What's happened to the grading system?
Okay, so you're probably thinking about the summative grades that we used to have at one point. That was when we would put maybe a label, a summative grade at the top of each section of the finished report. We no longer do that. And we haven't been doing it for some time now in schools. But what we do is we write, when we come to produce the final report, we make sure that we write in a clear and in a validative way that makes it really clear to the reader what our evaluations on different parts of the school life, the school's provision, standards and so on, the way that leaders help to improve the school. We make sure that those evaluations are really clear in the narrative of what we write. We didn't think that having those one-word labels, those summative gradings or judgments were particularly helpful. They didn't help with professional dialogue during the week. Now that we've removed those, we're able to have far more open and honest discussions with the nominee. Now, the nominee is usually the head teacher of the school, and they join in all the meetings that the team has during the week. So it's a very transparent process where the nominee can be a full part of those discussions. So they can hear our hypotheses as we are developing and gathering information and evidence during the week.